Hey team, and welcome back. And in this lesson, we're going to be doing TradingView settings. TradingView is the website where you're able to analyze the market for your currency pairs that you're going to be trading. Now, the settings are really important because it's going to help you analyze and show you what you're going to be doing on the charts. There's also a mobile app that you can use, so it's very mobile friendly as well. If you want to have it side by side right now so you can follow along, that'd be great. Let's jump on in. So when you go to tradingview.com, you're going to see it right here. And you're going to click on that. And it's going to ask you to set up a free account and register. Once you register, you're going to head over to products, and super charts is what you're going to click on. Now, when you first click on it, you're going to see a chart, and it may be a little intimidating at first, but don't worry. We're going to walk you through step by step. In this lesson, we're going to go over the settings. To find the settings, you're going to come up here to the right corner, and it looks like a little lug nut up here where it says chart settings. Go ahead and click on that one time, and our chart settings are coming up. We want to come down to canvas first, and our background, this is where you're able to change the color of the background. So you can do any color you want, but I'm going to go ahead and stick with white for now. Next is your grid lines, and currently they're white, but let's go ahead and show you if I were to put them as black, you can actually see them in the background here. But we're going to go ahead and have those transparent and white as well. Next is the crosshair. The crosshair is important because it shows you where your mouse is on the current screen, and you always want to know where you're at on the charts. So my crosshair is black, 100% opacity, and thickness is the thinnest one. The watermark is next. Watermark, I have light gray. You can do black as well. And the opacity, I'm going to go ahead and have that at 30%. And text is going to be on the pips on the right-hand side over here. So if you want it smaller or bigger, you can go ahead and have your text moved like that, and you can see them moving in real time. So let's go ahead and put that at 14. Now, the reason the watermark is so important, I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And you can actually see the watermark populate in the background here, and we're currently on AUD USD on the 1 hour. As I move through times and pairs, you can actually see it changing with the watermark. Going back up to chart settings, now that the canvas is complete, you want to come up to symbol. Symbol is where you're going to be able to change the candlestick colors, borders, and wicks. So again, you can just click here and you can see that they're changing in real time, but I'm going to go ahead and leave those as green. And the bearish candles are here, and we're going to go ahead and change these as well, but I'm going to go ahead and leave those as red. Our borders are black, and so are our wicks. The time zone is important because you want to make sure that you're trading in the right time zone, so you can go ahead and click on whichever option works best for you. Next thing is the status line. I like to have my logo on, the title with the description and the ticker right here. So you have 3 different options. I'm going to use ticker and description. Bar changes value, and then scales and lines. You want to have the currency unit always visible. You don't want no overlapping labels. You need the plus button here and the countdown to bar close. Now, the countdown to bar close is currently checked on, and if the market was open right now, you would actually see a countdown over here to when that bar closes. I have my symbol as a value line. Previous day close is hidden. Indicators and financials, I'm using the value instead of the name. And then day of the week on labels, my date format is the day as well as the year. And then I'm on a 12-hour format. Next, I'm going to come down here to trading, and I want to make sure that my buy and sell buttons are currently checked on. My positions, profit and loss, I want to have that in money, not in ticks or percentage. Again, you can choose which option works best for you. I have my reverse button, orders, brackets, profit and loss. I have that on money as well, but again, you can use ticks or percentage. Executions and extended price line for positions and orders. I have that to the right. And again, you can choose left or center. All right, team, this is TradingView settings. This is setting up your chart so you can see the candlesticks, the background, as well as making sure you have all the right settings for you to be a successful trader. See you in the next lesson. Have a great day.